and the Guia Academy of Magallanes. So kayo yung kasali sa parokya doon ng Señor de Guia. Kayo yung binigyan ng image mo, yung Episcopal Coronation.
Yes.
Recently,
Yes
di ba?
po. Yes
Okay.
po.
Ang ating pong birhen ay ang pinaka-matanda na imahen sa extant sa buong Pilipinas na sasabihin ko ay local. Kasi may dala din sina Magellan noon, no? Birhen sa kota, pero nawala yun. European yun, pero nawala. Pero ito, kasi matanda rin yun. Pero ito ang pinakamatanda, considering that the origin is local. Kaya ito po ang pinaka-imahe ni Maria na natagpuan dito sa Papa Luzon ng mga conquistadores, mamumuno ni Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, direktado ang Governor General ng Pilipinas sa naging pagkako dito, May 19, 1571. Kaya ito ang shrine ni Mary na naunang-una at siya ang tinanhal na pinaka-gabay ng natives as well as mga Europeans na napunta rito at daan nila ang maternal care and guidance sa Mary. Kaya Mary, the image is very much honored not only by the natives or the Tagalogs, but also by the Spaniards. Kaya in all the papers that God had given to the petitions or prayers of the people, Mary, we always recall the miraculous Nuestra Señora de Guia. And she continues to do miracles from God for the well-being and salvation of the faithful. Kaya welcome po kayo sa Archdiocese Shrine ng Nuestra Señora de Guia. Ito po ay part ng inyong educational tour. So ano kayo? High school? High school kayo. Wala ba kayo spokesperson?
Ay, principal.
Kayo?
Faithfulness of the Magallanes Cavite ni Nuestro Señor Venerada Corona. We are thankful that we been given the opportunity not just to visit the church, but also to know the history of the image of the Nuestra that we have been venerating over almost 150 years in Magallanes. Thank you.
Facebook yun, daming iligis ng Biblia doon. Malakas ang devotion sa Magallanes. And congratulations. No? I once met your parish priest 2 years ago when I was in Rosario, Cavite. Nandun siya. Pero hindi ko lang siya pa rin. Hindi ba rin sa salita? Ano pa rin siya? Siya pa rin. Okay. So, extend my regards sa kanya. And again, thank you for considering the shrine of your Guia as part of your itinerary and your educational tour throughout this day. And may Mary continue to guide you in your studies. May Mary accompany you in your journey towards your future. For Mary is our faithful mother and she loves us dearly. Palapakan natin mga